Hi, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. In today's video, we're doing beer can burgers with bacon. Now let's go inside, get things started. All right, here we are. We're back inside the Triple R kitchen. And for today's ingredients, we're going to be using jalapenos, onions, mushrooms, cheddar cheese, Muenster cheese, salt, pepper, and of course the thin cut bacon. And then we have our hamburger patties here, and I'm going to show you how we do the wells. They're about a quarter of a pound, maybe a little bit more, but we try to keep about a quarter of a pound on meat. And we have here, so we have a, I think it's a 12-ounce can that we like to use for the well. So to do these sliders, because that's what we're doing beer can sliders. So we'll just show you how we get them done. First of all is that press the beer inside the hamburger meat in the well, and that's what you want to do is form it. Just, you don't have to be, straight, just as long as you get that well formed inside. And you want to build up the sides a little bit, and we'll end up stuffing these burgers. So there you have it there. So now, grab your thin cut bacon, and you're going to want to wrap it around the patty or the well, whatever you want to call it. Now what you want to do is that just remove the beer can, and as you can see, you have your well in there, and all we're basically going to do is we'll just get it removed. We did some ahead of time just to kind of move this along a little bit quicker. So now what we're just going to do is I'll remove my gloves, and we're going to salt, pepper them, and get them ready to be stuffed. Got the Himalayan salt, that's what we like to use here at the Triple R kitchen. Got that there. So we're going to do two types of burgers. We're going to do the mushroom burger. So we're going to stuff some of these inside. Add a little bit of onion in there. On that. And for the mushroom burgers, we're going to use Muenster cheese. Don't be stingy with the cheese in there. So just fill that well up in there. You got that. Next, real quick, we're going to do the cheddar burgers. So we got that going there. And again, add some onion. You could use white onion, Spanish onion, what you prefer. And for the kicker, is what we like to do. We like to add the jalapenos on there. And we'll just go ahead and do one more. Cheddar and jalapeno. With some white onion. And guys, gals, what goes good with the burger? You guys already know, ice cold beer. So these burgers are ready for the grill. So we'll go outside, get them on there, and we'll be cooking them over indirect heat for about half hour. We'll get them checked out. So let's head out there and get them grilling. Alright guys, here we have the sliders, the stuffed beer can burgers. So now we're going to get them on the grill. We're going to be cooking over indirect heat. Alright, now we'll cover them up. Alright guys, we're checking on the burgers. So now we'll probably just get them ready. Looks like they're done. They look good. So now we're gonna take them inside, get them plated up. All right, guys. As you can see, we pulled the beer can burgers off the grill. They look great. They smell wonderful. You can definitely smell the bacon. We have everything already plated up, lettuce, tomato, and we have our burgers here. And I already have one already on the plate here. So I chose the jalapeno cheddar bacon burger. So put a little bit of mustard. My favorite is barbecue chips. So also like to complement a little bit with some avocado on top. Like to put a little bit of lettuce, and I am a huge tomato guy, so that's what we're looking at right there. Now I'm gonna take a bite. It might be a little bit messy, but well worth it. Oh wow, tastes great. Taste the smokiness, taste the bacon, you can taste the jalapenos. Also, you can taste the onions. If you try this recipe, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and you know what, guys? We'll see you next round.